Assalamu alaikum. From the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon us is He has given us the day of Jummah. One of the most significant virtues of this day is the Jummah prayer. But there are certain things that we all need to be aware of. Number one, you are not allowed to talk or even give salam whilst the Imam is delivering the khutbah, nor is it permissible to tell others to be quiet, even with a shh. Why? Because whoever engages in any idle talk during the khutbah, his Jummah prayer does not count. The khutbah must be listened to attentively. Number two, arriving late to Jummah, especially when the khutbah has already started or just before the prayer. This results in a decrease of reward. The earlier you arrive, the greater the reward. The angels stand at the gates of every mosque and write down the names of people according to their arrival. Number three, you are absolutely not allowed to use your mobile phone during the khutbah. Unfortunately, people do anything other than pay attention to what the Imam is saying. Number four, be mindful and respectful of everyone inside or outside the masjid. Whether it's stepping over others, walking in front of people praying, any form of pushing or offending, these must all be avoided. As Muslims, it is haram to cause unnecessary harm and difficulty to anyone. So please, with that in mind, don't park in a way that blocks or obstructs others. Number five, reading Surah Al-Kahf on every Friday was a practice of our beloved Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to act upon this and also to teach it to others.